Good morning, good morning. How are you guys doing today? Just waiting a little bit, yeah, before we get started. Okay, yeah, so before I get into the video, I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to the channel. How's it doing? De lucht. I'm actually short on XRP right now. Posted the setup in the Telegram group, and yeah, I think it's a good setup. The reason why I'm short is it's a little bit choppy right now, like my analysis, but basically, if you look at the 1 hour time frame, you can see that this level here is very, very strong, right? This is a strong resistance. And we are currently retesting that level right now. So we're currently retesting that level. So we took a short based on that. And then there's also this trend line that we've been holding, right? We've been holding this trend line multiple times. So yeah, we in a short here for XRP. I do think that it's a good setup. Looking to TP, so TP1 would be here. 56.27. I think I did say 56.30. Doesn't really matter. And then over here is going to be TP2 at around about 5471. Okay, so I like the setup a lot. I think it's a good setup. We are still holding this level. So as long as price stays below here, we got a stop loss just above here. So everything looks quite good there. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin actually just dumped right now. Okay, have a look at that. So if you look at Bitcoin, I mean, the thing is with Bitcoin, the problem is, I was speaking about in my analysis, right? So Bitcoin, this is just to me looking like a lower high. So what does that mean? It means that we retested this level, right? We retested this level twice, and this is just creating a lower high. So essentially, we have this low over here, this low over here, then we have this high, and then this high, right? And this one is lower, right? It's lower than this previous one. And then right now we are starting to form a lower high right now as well. So I do think that it's possible for Bitcoin to come down today, guys. I think it's very possible for it to come down. Just be careful with opening long positions. This is the area where you kind of want to look for longs, but I do think that we can come lower. We can come maybe potentially a little bit lower today. I'm not going to open up a long for Bitcoin. I want to see if we can tap this level here. So this is the level I kind of want to look at for Bitcoin. I want to see if we can come down a little bit lower here. And if we do tap that zone, then cool, we'll probably look for a long. But right now, I can't really take a long for Bitcoin. You know, we just closed, we closed the 1 hour candle quite bearish here, guys. That's interesting. Okay, so this is basically the range. Here we go. So that's your bottom here. Let's make that black. So that's your bottom of the range, and then let's just say this is the top of the range. And we literally just close below it. So I would expect a wick fill. So I would expect Bitcoin to fill this wick just over here. The 30-minute candle closed really, really bearish as well. The 15, yeah, pretty much everything. If this candle can flip bearish here for Bitcoin, then I'll probably look for a sell for Bitcoin. Stop loss just above there. Take profits would probably be here. And then round about here. So these will be the levels. I'll only take this trade if this can flip bearish. If this next candle can flip bearish, then I'll take the setup for Bitcoin. But looking at quite a nice move to the downside. So let's just see. Let's see. I'm not going to take it just yet. Just waiting for that. But like I said, I mean, it's just, to me, it looks like a lower high. I actually took a short last night for Ethereum. It was based on a lot of different factors, but let's see if this can flip bearish. I think we might see quite a big move here. So get ready. I'm probably going to take a short soon. We are either going to bounce from the zone, or we're going to come down, come a bit lower. I'm expecting us to just come a little bit lower before you see a bounce, but let's see. So let's see what happens. Bam, bam, bam. Okay. Remember this trade, I haven't taken it yet, so I'm just waiting for this next candle to flip bearish here. But it kind of just looks like a double bottom here, to be honest with you. It might hold, but this has to flip. It has to flip bearish here. I'm going to go over a couple other coins. Solana looking quite decent today. WIF's been doing well. Aave, have a look at Aave. Aave kind of looking bearish, to be honest with you. I'm liking this little bit of structure forming here. I like this. I mean, this is a bearish structure. Could we? I mean, it is a rising wedge. I mean, a falling wedge. So it is. So it's bullish structure, but it's hard to flip here. But yeah, I've kind of made quite a nice recovery over here. So look at the 4 hour. I want to see if we can take some sellers here. I like this rejection over here. It's looking very, very nice. These rejections. Stop would have to be above there, and then take profit will be down there. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Looking at a sell here for Aave. This is typically a bullish pattern, though, to be honest with you. And a falling wedge. XRP coming back up a little bit here. As long as XRP stays below this trend line, it should be fine. So I'm not really worried about this trade. We just need to stay below this trend line. And obviously we need to respect this resistance, right? So price needs to obviously hold this level. Yeah, but let's see what happens. And then I'm looking for the sell for Bitcoin as well. Okay, so we're probably going to get some positions here. So we're just going to chill out for a bit. I'm not going to just have a chilled stream here. Relaxed one. But yeah, not much else looking at. If you guys did just join, welcome. We are looking at sellers here for Bitcoin. Looking at sellers here for Bitcoin. Potentially. This is not really a bounce. I mean, it's quite a strong level on the 1 hour, but there's more liquidity a little bit lower, right? So let's have a look where that is. So a bit of liquidity builds up here. 57,800 and then 59,200. So 57,800, where's that? Yeah, that's exactly that level. We'll probably get that there. What does that move? If we take it, yeah, it's like a 3% move. Potentially, we could potentially get that and then look for longs at that level. That would probably be, I'll probably take all profit at that level if I do take this trade. The XRP back at break even, yeah. It needs to react from this level, right? For XRP. I mean, this is the only short zone we can really get for the day for XRP. I don't really want to be shorting. This is literally the only level we have. It's respecting the 618, this level, but it needs to obviously flip bearish here as well. So if it doesn't flip bearish here, then yeah, I'm afraid it's not going to work out. This was my trade from last night from XRP. Sorry, for Ethereum. I took this trade last night when I was just before I went to bed, actually. So yeah, it was quite a good setup. Basically, just broke the trend line, and then I took it there. Then stop loss was just above the high, and take profit was at this resistance. Yeah, it's a bounce zone for Ethereum, so I would expect price to bounce from this level, which is why we take profit at these zones. But it's kind of looking quite good for Ethereum, because if you look at the daily, kind of respecting that level, 4-hour time frame, respecting quite nicely, really nicely. But yeah, some coins just looking like they want to come down today. So I think XRP is gonna be one of them. Okay. And then Bitcoin. We're gonna take these sells here soon. Have a look at Aave. Aave kind of, I want to be looking at this as well. Probably look for a sell here soon. Okay. Let's see what we got today. Yo, blockchain, what's happening? How are you guys doing? I think if you guys are watching on CoinW, I hope you guys are doing well. We're looking at some sells here, I guess. Potentially Bitcoin sells. Potentially. Very soon, yeah. Very soon. If Bitcoin can flip bearish, we'll take the sell. But yeah, let's see if we can get that. And then Aave, I'm liking the setup for Aave, to be honest with you. It's a nice retest. Looking to short this right over here, actually. Take profit one would be at this lower. Stop loss. Let's have a look. Yeah, I'm gonna take this, guys. I'm gonna take this for Aave. I think I like the setup. I'm gonna take this. Stop loss just above this higher, nothing crazy. 30 minutes, 1 hour. I like this. Okay, so I'm gonna take this for Aave. Just looking to take profit at this low here. Just looking to take profit at this low. It's making lower highs, lower lows, massive rejection zones over here. The 1 hour close bearish. This 1 hour candle that we're in right now is creating a top wick. Potentially has potential to flip bearish here. So there is 17 minutes here left of this candle. So let's see if we can flip bearish here. That would be amazing. And then yeah, let's see what happens. So Aave shorts, guys. Not the best setup, to be fair. So just don't risk too much on this one. But I'm just trying to play the range for the day. The range is definitely from here to here. So this is the high of the range. We did break below the range, and right now we are obviously looking to short the highs. But yeah, it's all to do with Bitcoin, right? If Bitcoin holds here, then we're probably gonna have to get out of that one early. But we're just trying to see if we can get some momentum, right? So if Bitcoin obviously can flip bearish, then that would obviously give us a little bit of momentum. But I think regardless, I'm going to keep this XRP trade for the day, unless it gets stopped out here. But I'm expecting price to get reacted from this trend line here. I'm expecting price to get reacted. So let's see if we can get that. Obviously, nothing's guaranteed. Nothing's guaranteed. Just the trades I'm taking. We got top stop losses. So it's have a look at USDT dominance. This is making me a little bit bearish, I guess. USDT dominance. Remember, this chart shows you it's inversely proportional to Bitcoin and crypto. Kind of looking like it wants to move a little bit higher. Interesting. So if this starts to pump, then of course the whole market's probably going to come down. But let's have a look. I mean, it's nothing's really Trying to see if we can maybe see. Let's have a look at the daily. The daily is still respecting this resistance. This is quite a strong level. Quite a strong level here. So we obviously need to start breaking above that point for these sells to be valid. Because right now, yeah, they're just currently just waiting. But yeah, it's starting to retest this previous level. We did break structure here. It's kind of looking good in terms of longs actually, but we'll see. I'm still liking the setup for Bitcoin. I think we'll get this today. I don't think we'll get it now. Maybe we will. There's still 15 minutes, but what I'm expecting is Bitcoin just to trade within this range the whole day. We break this level, we take sells below, or we break above here, and then we take buys above, right? So regardless, today we'll probably get a trade. If it's to the upside or if it's to the downside for Bitcoin, my guess is potentially to the downside. But I mean, we have to wait for the candle to flip bearish, right? So we need this candle to obviously flip, and then we take sells. Okay, but right now it's just at support, so we can't do anything. Okay, so that's going to be the setup for Bitcoin. Yeah, there's not much else. What else can we come through? We still got a couple minutes here. 15 more minutes. I think if in 15 more minutes, guys, if I still like the setup, yeah, for XRP. The problem with the XRP is sometimes it just pumps randomly, and then it's just so it's important always to trade with a stop loss. Not always just XRP, but overall, because if this can rip, it rips hard, and then you lose a lot more than what you should. So expecting Bitcoin to flip bearish here. So let's see. Let's see. Nothing's guaranteed here, but there is still 13 minutes. 13 minutes, anything can happen in 13 minutes. And maybe we'll see a little bit of volume coming in here. Maybe we'll see a little bit of volume coming in here. But it's a little bit slow, to be honest with you. A little bit slow. What's happening on the book map? Let's have a look here. 10 minutes. 1 hour. Let's have a look at the 1 hour. We have 58K. No, even a below here, 57,800. 57,800. Looks kind of good. Okay. Yeah, I think we'll probably hit this zone here, at least 57,800. Probably today. So essentially 57K, 57,600, these levels here. A lot of liquidity, and then obviously we have liquidity to the upside at like 60K. So that's going to be like your range for the day. Yeah, because right now it's obviously just kind of just chilling, not really anything happening. But yeah, let's see if we can come down a little bit lower. We have a little bit of liquidity here at 58,500. So we have some sell orders sitting over here. We'll see if we can tap into those. We did take that short for RV as well. Yeah, I don't know. It's a tricky one today. We're just going to be trading with tight stop losses today. RV stop loss just above this high here. We'll see if this one can play out. I like the setup because of how it looks on the 4 hour. How it's respecting this level over here. We have such a strong support. We bring this to the left here. Look how strong this level is. It's a very, very strong level, right? So every single time, look to the left here. Actually, I didn't even look at this. That's crazy. So this level is strong, guys. The probability of us dumping is more likely. So to be honest with you, the probability of us coming down is more likely than coming up, just based on previous price action. Right? Previous price action tells us that this level is a strong rejection zone. Whenever we close respecting this level, we normally come up and come down. We normally at least full wicks. So yeah, we can definitely look to see if we can even come and fill this wick over here. There's a bit of support over there. That could be a level as well. Okay. So like I said, this trade is probably based on the 4-hour actually, now that I think about it, because the thing is on this setup, if you want to trade it on the 4-hour, you would have to put your stop loss above this high here. So a 2% stop. But I'm kind of just trading this on the lower time frames, but I'm using the analysis on the 4-hour. So on the 4-hour, sorry, I've had sinus issues over the weekend. So on the 4-hour, we every time we respect the zone, we come down. Every time we break above, we go up. Strong level, right? 1 hour, same thing, right? This is why I took it now, because we have this top wick, right? So basically the 1 hour for this whole weekend, right? We've just been respecting. We came up quite a bit this morning, and then we just got rejected multiple times. So yeah, I think because we closed below this on the 1 hour, we most probably just going to come down a little bit lower, to be honest with you. Okay, so that is the trade for Aave. I think that it's valid setup. You just keep your stops very tight here, and then TP1 is going to be at 90.71 and 89.28. I think Boris actually posted an Aave short this morning. Let me have a look. So yeah, if you guys are already in this, then Aave. Swing short stay. Yeah, so he also posted a short, and it aligns with my analysis as well. His TP is at 81. Sorry, 83.5. 83.5. Where's that? That's far. 83. It's around about a 10% move. Yeah, so I mean that's a good setup. If you wanted to, you could use this 10x, so 10x leverage, and just put your stop loss above this high over here. That would guarantee you to be in this position for longer. XRP kind of still holding here. Like I said, for XRP, as long as the price stays within this area between this red line and this red line, we should see downside. If we start breaking these zones, then we're probably going to see more of a bullish move. So this trade is based on a resistance setup, based on the Fibonacci Fibonacci setup, and it's based on the trend line. So as long as price respects all of these levels, we should see price come down. But if we start breaking above and Bitcoin just pumps randomly, then yeah, it's looking like Bitcoin is starting to move a little bit higher. But let's see, there's still 30 minutes, yeah. Okay, so let's see what happens. I'm only going to take this Bitcoin trade once we break below here. I'm not going to take it now. Obviously, like I said, this is a support zone. Can't take this trade. But yeah, let's see what happens. I think maybe later today, we'll probably get this set up. I'm liking it. But yeah, it's just not really valid now for Bitcoin. As long as Bitcoin needs to hold this level, right? So let's see. I wouldn't take it long here either. It's basically like an indecision trade for Bitcoin. So I just would probably just stay out of this and just wait for the next 1 hour candle, right? So if this next 1 hour candle closes below this level, then yeah, we can take these sells. So we have 35 minutes until that. If that happens, then we take sells definitely. If price holds this level, then we're probably going to see it come back up to this level, and then maybe take sells from there, or we break out, take buys from there. So yeah, right now it's basically like we can't really do anything. We just have to stay patient. Oh. So let's see. Let's see what happens. Like I said, I'm kind of bearish on the day, but I could be wrong. Could be wrong. I could be wrong. So let's see. 4 minutes until this 15-minute closes for XRP. The 1 hour. What's happening on the 1 hour? The 1 hour looks like, I mean, as long as it respects that zone, it should be fine. The problem is XRP just moves by itself sometimes. Like I wouldn't want to hold XRP shorts for long. The problem is with that is because everyone's kind of bullish with the XRP, they actually just launched their stable coin on the weekend. So yeah, there's gonna be money flowing into XRP soon, so just be careful. Don't want to hold this for too long. Probably just hold it for the day. But yeah, Bitcoin kind of looks like it's struggling, eh? It's struggling to hold. Interesting. Aave needs to close below here, guys. I want Aave to at least close below this level here. So we have 3 minutes. We needed to close below this black line I've got on my chart here. Okay. That'll be amazing. If it closes respecting, then even it would also be good. But if it closes above, then I don't really like that. I might just exit. So let's see what happens in 3 minutes for Aave. In if Bitcoin flips bearish, guys, that would be amazing. The 15-minute looks like it wants to flip here, to be honest with you. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Oh, they might even flip here. That would be amazing. If we can just flip bullish here, that would be great. Yeah, I'm liking this. I think Bitcoin's going to dump here. So get ready, guys. We might even take a short for Bitcoin very, very soon. XRP, I'm liking that. What's the 1 hour? 1 hour 15. That's a beautiful 15 reaction. Aave, beautiful reaction as well. Bitcoin, here we go. Okay. Oh, it's starting to flip. That's amazing. That is absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna take sells very soon. Yeah, this is what we wanted, right? That's exactly what a beautiful top wick. So guys, look at this. So look how important candlesticks are. Let me just explain something to you. So we have support over here. Then what happened? We broke. We came back up, and then we broke it again. And then now we look how price creates a top wick, grabs liquidity, and then we start driving, right? So the first TP for this setup is just going to be this wick over here for Bitcoin. I like how it just flipped bearish within 3 minutes as we were speaking. Okay, so we did get into this. Okay, so the first TP is going to be at 57,653. Okay, so that's going to be the first TP. Just a little bit risky, to be honest with you. But I think that we could have some volume to drive here. I do think that we have some volume to drive here. The 30-minute candle would flip bearish here. The 1 hour looking like, yeah, the 1 hour is also flipping. Yeah, it's interesting. We either going to hold this level. Where's the liquidity sitting at? We had a massive sell order just now. Let's have a look at the 1 hour. Okay, so we have a little bit of right over here, 57,400. That's going to be the level. 57,500. Okay, 57,400. Okay. And then so are they closed below? Beautiful. We won. Okay. Crossing 60,600. What? I don't know what that alerts is. Okay, so look at this. Look how RV closed below the level. So RV closed below on the 15 and the 30. So I'm just expecting price to come down here, guys. Expecting price to come down. Same thing with Bitcoin. Yeah, let's see. See what happens here. If you guys are new, if you guys are watching on CoinW, welcome. We are in a couple of shorts here. We took a short for Bitcoin not so long ago. We in a short for XRP, which we took a while ago. And then Aave, we also took a short. So we kind of short here, guys. With stop losses very, very tight, just in case we get a bounce from these levels. But I'm expecting a little bit more downside for the day. Okay. So let's see. Let's see if Bitcoin can actually move. Talking to okay, let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. There's more liquidity to the downside for the day, so just be careful. Like technically, this is the area you want to take longs, but I'm anticipating a price to come down. We've gone over the analysis, so let's see if it plays out. 57,400. Where's 57,400? Oh yeah. Okay. A 50-minute close. Respecting actually. Let's see. Once we break this level here, we should see quite a nice flush. At least a wick for here, guys. I'm not really expecting much. It's a short-term trade, so we could dump quite hard, but I want to see if we can at least fill this wick over here for Bitcoin. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Talking to me. 5 minutes. ASAP is kind of looking good for longs, to be honest with you. I might even cut this one at break even, depending. Let's see. This is just a reaction zone. We're just taking short from the reaction zone. So I'm just expecting price to obviously get rejected from this level. Yeah, we'll see. We might come up a little bit. You know, there is this trend line over here that we can come to. I would expect price to just get rejected here. For us to break this level right now, we're going to need a lot of volume and a lot of buying pressure. And right now, I'm not really seeing that in the market. So, are they interesting? Interesting. Let's see if Bitcoin can dump here, guys. Let's see. Nothing's guaranteed, guys. Just if you guys are taking these trades with me, remember nothing's guaranteed. This is just what I'm doing, and I'm trying to explain why I'm doing it. But if you guys do have questions, of course, you can ask me. So just let me know. This week's kind of hectic, though, guys. This week's kind of hectic. We have so much news tomorrow. We have PPI tomorrow, and then CPI on Wednesday, and then Thursday we have retail sales. So this week's a bit hectic. So just be careful. These trades I take today will probably be closed today as well. Let's just say they hit take profit, right? I'll close them. I don't really want to be trading tomorrow or Wednesday just because of the market, the news. It's very, very volatile. It's not worth it to trade. Okay. What's your take on Solana? Let's have a look. Solana. Let's have a look. We're gonna remove all the drawings quickly. Yeah, I mean Solana. What happened the weekly? Solana is looking relatively good on the weekly. That's a very, very strong closure here, guys. So this was obviously a strong level over here. Okay. So let's analyze this quickly here. So this level here, very, very strong resistance. We came down, tapped into that zone. Right now on the weekly, we're forming a top wick right now. But we can definitely come and fill this wick and pump a little bit higher. So Solana could come back down this week, back down to this level here. This is an indecision candle. It's not really bullish or bearish. It's more of an indecision candle. So I do think that Solana can come down and fill this wick. I mean, another 23% down. If we look at the lower time frames, like the daily was quite a bad closure, but a closure respecting support, which is good. So this was support over here, closure respecting. So that's decent. Yeah, I think for today, for Solana, I'd probably look for sells. If we can close below here, and then I'll probably look to take profit at 115. Stop loss just above this high over here. But I would only wait for price to come down, close below here, and then take sells like this. Okay. So right now, you know, I'm a little bit bearish on the current market, and we're going into quite a volatile week. So it's going to be interesting. It's a very, very volatile week. So just be careful today, guys. Not today, sorry. Today is pretty fine. Sorry, tomorrow and of course Wednesday and Thursday is going to be quite hectic. Yeah, it's looking like the market wants to come down here. What's happening to Bitcoin? There we go. Okay. So we have a profit right now for Bitcoin. XRP is also in profit. Are they? Just a little bit of a loss there. So remember, Bitcoin, if Bitcoin can break this low, guys, we should see quite a big dump here. So just be prepared. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Anything can happen in this market, but let's see. Talking to the moon. So those are the trades, guys. Those are the trades. Thinking like there's going to be a little bit of a dump right now. Little bit of a dump right now, guys. Let's see. Definitely possible. Definitely possible, yeah. It is possible. I think XRP is going to dump quite nicely today. Just got a feeling. I'm liking this trade setup. We took it beautifully. We got quite a nice entry. 57, 52. Great entry. Yeah. When we break through this level here and we start tapping zones of like this level, then I'd probably look for stop loss to break even and then make it a risk-free trade. So that's going to be the game plan for XRP. So we're currently down from entry. We're up around about 6%. This would be a 15%. This is 23%. And then this would be a 50%. So these are going to be the levels to take profit at for the day. Okay. But let's see what happens. Anything can happen. So if Bitcoin bounces, yeah, that would be interesting. We did, yes. Oh, we're starting to form the orb. Okay. So what does that mean? I've got this. I don't. If you guys have watched me for, I don't know, for a long time, you would know that I don't trade with indicators. But I've been using this one called the orb. It's basically the opening. It's called an opening range breakout. So how it works is very simple, right? Basically, you take it takes the first 15 minutes candle of the 9:30 to 9:45 breakout. So here it takes 9:30 session to 9:45. So it takes the high of that candle and the low of that candle. So basically just the support and resistance of that candle. And then what actually happens is you want to be looking for like a break of these levels, right? So if you look to the downside, this would be a good setup. You see how it respects to this level, then you would take the longs. And you can see how it disrespected this level over here, and you can take shorts. So for the day, it's currently opening right now. So the high of this candle would be, depending where it closes, but if it closes here, then that would be your high, and that would be a low. Then you would wait for Bitcoin to break the low, and then you take sells. Okay. So that's something to look at for the day for Bitcoin. So yeah, let's see what happens. Yeah, it looks like XRP is showing a little bit more weakness compared to a couple other coins. Yeah, Aave is showing quite a lot of strength. Quite interesting. Not too sure where this is coming from. But XRP is showing really weak, showing quite a lot of weakness. So we in profit there for XRP. Aave in a small loss here. Kind of looking bullish here, to be fair. But I like how the 4-hour close, and this 4-hour candle can still flip bearish. I've still got 2 hours, so just keep everything how it is for that. XRP, same thing, 4-hour can definitely flip bearish. So this is such a strong level. So, I mean, XRP is a very clean setup. It's way more clean than the Aave one. Yeah, so let's see what happens. And then Solana, we're waiting for sales for the day. I'm not too sure if we'll get that. We'll see. Maybe a little bit later on. Right now, probably won't get it. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Aave is showing a lot of strength here. I'm not liking this, to be honest with you. So the 50-minute candle just opened. And that's the high of the 15, right? This is the high of the 15 right over here. So we have the orb. So this would be the first right over there. And then the low is just at this level here. So I'll highlight it so you can see. Just showing quite a lot of strength. I'm not really worried about it. It's nothing really to faze me. Yeah, I'm still quite bearish on these trades. So that's why we have stop losses at these levels that we've described. And then Bitcoin as well. Yeah, we did take that short for Bitcoin as well. So everything kind of looking good, yeah. Just have to be patient. Wait for these setups to play out. It might not take. Sometimes it takes quick, depending on volume. Sometimes it takes longer. So yeah, it's just about being patient at this point. XRP, I think XRP is gonna rip today, guys. Just be careful, man. We're in these cells. We're gonna hold these. I like XRP quite a lot. Are they getting reacted there? If you guys didn't enter Aave, I think entering now could be a good idea. Probably this is quite a nice level because this is your opening of the high of the orb. So I do think that that's possible for Aave to come back down and flip here. But yeah, 11 minutes. Can we flip bearish in 11 minutes? That's the question. That is the question. So let's see. Bitcoin back at entry price here. Bitcoin back at entry price here. Interesting how Aave is pumping so hard. I'm not too sure what the reasoning is there. Like everything's kind of looking bearish and then Aave is just pumping. It doesn't make sense, to be honest with you. Let's see how it reacts at these levels here. Probably going to get stopped out here for Aave. And then probably just add more to XRP. yeah, the thing is, I like the XRP setup a lot more than the RV setup. But let's see. You know, this could easily just get rejected here, and if Bitcoin starts dumping, then we'll probably see RV come down. So yeah, I'm not really convinced. This could just be a fake pump here. Oh, XRP. Whoa, nice, beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful trade, yeah. That was the setup. We explained it. Yeah, we're gonna move stop loss to break even very, very soon. Very, very soon, yeah. I'm expecting dumps, guys. We've explained everything. While we're waiting for these dumps. So let's see. Are they? Yeah, I think that this is just a fake out here, guys. And then we just see quite a big dump off here. Well, let's see. Let's see. I like XRP here. Bit slow, guys. Bit slow, but XRP moving. Bitcoin's about to move. Bitcoin's about to move. Yeah. Lana, not yet. Not yet. Aave is a bit strange. We probably just this is probably there's just something weird happening here for Aave. Probably nothing to worry about, but compared to Bitcoin, just looks so different, right? And XRP, like XRP looks really, really bad, and then Aave kind of pumping. So I'm just trying to order some food. Ordering some food quickly. Let's have a look at USDT dominance. Remember we spoke about this earlier now. I want to see how this 50-minute candle closes here for USDT dominance. That'll be interesting. Remember, if this pumps, most probably done. But yeah, looking good. Yeah, looking good. XRP looks really, really nice. This was a beautiful setup. Beautiful. 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 And Bitcoin, guys, Bitcoin. If Bitcoin breaks low here, we're going to see quite a big dump. Remember, like I said earlier, liquidity is sitting more to the downside right now. Have a look. So liquidity 58K, the 1 day, 57, 57,500, 57,400, possibly. Let's see. It's a little bit slow there. A little bit slow right now. Not quite good smack. Check at that. I was waiting for that last night. When was that? Yeah. Yeah, done hard last night. Done really, really hard. Doesn't look like it's budging here. It looks like I think we're gonna see quite a liquidity grab, right? So I don't think it's gonna dump the full way. I think we're just gonna see like a sharp dump, and then we're gonna see quite a lot of people buying it back up. So let's see if that plays out. XRP looks good. I think Aave will probably just get stopped out on Aave. Oh, Bitcoin. Sorry, Solana closed below here. I think yeah, Solana looks good. If we can close below here, that would be amazing. Probably take a sell just now. Yeah. Okay. We're looking at another sell here, guys. For Solana. Like I said, for Solana, we might look for sells below this point over here, but I might even enter a little bit early here. Might enter a little bit early here. XRP looks really, really good. Solana, we're about to enter as well. We're about to enter Solana here. Very, very soon I will enter this. I like how it's disrespecting supportive here, guys. So for Solana, we looks good. So we're gonna enter this soon. If you guys did just join, welcome. We're in a couple shorts. We're in a short for XRP. We took this pretty much at the top. So this is really, really clean. Bitcoin, we took a short as well. We'll see if this plays out. Like I said, today is a little bit weird. I'm anticipating price to come down a little bit before we see price go up. We are looking at shorts. Same thing with Solana, looking at that short. But yeah, closure respecting. Yeah. So what is that? The 1 hour closure. The 1 hour closure respecting support. Yeah, but a close. So close below here. Yeah, I can't take this just yet. Not just yet. Okay. Not just yet for Solana. Not just yet. Once we break this low here, then we can take these sells. So once we break this level here, I'll enter. Stop loss above this high. Take profit will be at this low here. Okay, so that's Solana. XRP is kind of dumping, guys. XRP is dumping here. Beautiful. Okay. I'm liking this for XRP. I'm liking this. I'm loving this little bit of a push here. This is what we wanted. Bit of a push. And Bitcoin as well. We took these sells for Bitcoin as well. Okay. So let's see. Solana is almost ready. Okay, yeah, we entered Solana. Whoosh. Okay, yeah, we entered Solana. We in the sell here for Solana. XRP dropping quite nicely as well. Beautiful. Okay, so we're in a couple sells here, guys. We're in a couple sells here. Beautiful sell for Solana there. Hope you guys took it. Beautiful. Look at that. And Bitcoin. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, we got stops out on Aave, yeah. Got stops out on Aave. Yeah, Aave is just a little bit bullish. We shouldn't have probably taken that one, to be honest with you. But we're making it up here for Bitcoin. We've got Lana sells and then XRP sells as well. There we go. Bit of volume coming in now. Okay, I'm gonna stay live for a little bit longer here, guys. Because I want to see what's happening. I'm liking this. Dun, dun, dun. So Bitcoin looking a little bit bearish here, guys. A little bit bearish. We took these sells for BTC as well. If we start breaking the support here, we're probably going to see quite a big dump. So let's see. I'm liking how it's looking so far. I'm liking how it's looking so far. So XRP is about to hit TP1 here. Beautiful. Good meeting. Okay. Okay, so let's see what happens. So that's the setup. Yeah, Solana still looks good. What else is there? Not much else. Aave kind of looking bullish, to be fair. Aave is looking bullish. So we're gonna remove this. Yeah, Aave looks so good, man. Aave looks so good. I think we're gonna see a pump here for Aave. We did close above this sort of falling wedge. Let's see. I'm not gonna take this because most of the market is bearish right now. So I just don't think I'll take that. Yeah, the only trade that's really, really decent is this XRP one. Solana one, kind of bouncing a little bit, holding back here. Coming back up to this level. Let's see. It looks like we might see a bounce here, guys. So just be careful. So this is the current range for Bitcoin right now. So if Bitcoin obviously breaks out of this range, we could see a little bit higher. But yeah, I'm expecting, we did obviously close below this point, the 30-minute as well, the 1 hour. Yeah, I'm expecting price to at least maybe come back up to this level, retest, and then potentially come down lower today. I do think that it's possible. I don't think that we're going to see, I think we're going to see more downside for the day. So just be careful with opening longs. I know it does seem like a bounce zone. So I think a lot of people. Oh, OP. OP. Yeah, things are looking bearish. I just be careful. I think sells are more valid for the day. So let's see. Remember trading, the thing is sometimes you can get a good setup and then it just hits instantly. And sometimes you're just gonna have to wait, see if the setup plays out, of course. So it's pretty much a waiting game at this point. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream here. There's nothing much else. I'll go over the positions again. So we're short on Bitcoin here, looking to at least come back down to 56,700. We short on Solana as well. Looking for even a bigger short later on today if we can get that. Maybe we will. What else? Are they respecting that level? So not really valid. OP looking at a potential retest here. OP is probably valid for short as well. I like this. We have a bit of a demand zone. We have a level just over here. That would be a good setup. Yeah, look how it's respecting this level. OP looks valid. Short from this level here. Take profit here. Stop loss just above this high here. I like this for OP. OP looks good. I think, yeah, this is a good setup. If you guys want to take this now, it looks really, really good. Literally just saw this now. Yeah, it looks really, really nice. Beautiful. Okay. So those are the setups, guys. I think Bitcoin as well, we obviously need to see a little bit more volume here. But yeah, let's see if we can come down. I do appreciate everyone watching today. If you guys did miss the trades, we do go live tomorrow as well, every single day. So we'll be here every day. So make sure you guys do join. And if you guys like the channel, please subscribe and yeah, give it a like. I do appreciate it. Cheers, guys.